Wishtrip Game Wizard. Getting started. So, you'd like to create an interactive game for your destination? Great idea! We are here to help. In this series of tutorial videos, we'll take you through the process of creating a fun and engaging game that visitors can play in your destination on their Wishtrip app. From the Wishtrip Management Console, select Game Builder, and let's begin. Here, you can create a game and see any existing games you already have. There are no limits to the number of games you can have. Once you click to create a new game, you will enter the wizard. Let's get to know all the features you'll find here. You'll notice 3 different areas: the top menu, the side menu, and the work area. On the top menu, the green tick lets you know that your changes have been automatically saved in the Wishtrip server. If the tick does not turn green, wait a little and then refresh the page. From this menu, you can undo your last action, log out, or simply return to the home page. You can also change and manage your site language preferences at the bottom of the screen. There are 6 stages to creating a game. Use the menu on the left to navigate the site building wizard. When you have completed a stage, it appears green. When it is yet to be completed, it will have a red dot. The stage that you are currently working on is indicated with a black outline. You do not need to complete the stages in order, but some elements won't become available until others are complete. We'll see you in the next videos, where we show you step by step how to complete each of these stages and publish your game.